Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It's Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge, 52 weeks of tags, and we are on week 13. Hello. Can't believe it, week 13 already. So as always, this tag is pre-gessoed. It's an old file folder, and it's 7 inches long, 3.5 inches wide. I did pre-gesso. And this week's prompts are fly for our word, image of a bird is our texture or material, and our color combination is bright colors. So I have here some, I believe it's Jane Davenport washi tape, bright colors. And so what I did was, it's rolling away, to avoid the hoe doing it on here to save time. I taped on these letters that I have that are sticky sticker, but like they were like wood grain stickers. So I covered up the letters. So this will be my word, fly, and it's in bright colors. I love how it turned out. I think it's super cute. Put this here. And a bird, I had this, let me see if I can. I had this sticker right here. I've had them for a while. I have a whole package of them. So I took it apart and I traced it and cut my own out. But first what I did was glue these pieces of paper. I cut them smaller. And I glued them on a piece of white cardstock, and I traced around the bird and cut the bird out and did my own bird in bright colors. So there's my image of a bird. I'm getting black, the ink all over me for some reason. So I wanted to save some time by doing that rather than doing it on the video. I just went ahead and did it beforehand while my tag was drawing because I gessoed it. See if I can't zoom in a little bit. I'm still a bit under the weather as usual. Seems to be the thing. So I like the black against the bright colors, so that's why I went with black. And this is probably going to be a quick tag because, yeah. But I think I'm going to punch a bunch of little dots out of this just to add different background in there because I really like them colors. So first, this is Betty. I had this flat at one point, but I guess it has a mind of its own. So I kind of like fly to go at an angle. I just liked how that looked. And then I'm going to set the bird here. So maybe I'll move this up a little bit. And set the bird there with some foamy squares. I have some here, but they're not that thick. So I'm going to go grab my bigger one. Hang on a second. Okay. Oh, I had some right down here. I didn't even think about that. Duh. That's alright. We're just going to use these. So yeah, that'll fit right there. Kind of an easy tag because I've got a really bad sinus headache going on the past few days. So this is kind of thrown together because I almost forgot all about it. So we're going to stick with the birdie like right. Ooh, do I want it up there? I think we're going to go here with it. And then I'll pull these off the back because they're stickers. I've had them for a few years. So I'm going to start the F there. I think I'm going to use a flower punch and punch some flowers out of that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't encourage easy tags. This really isn't much of a challenge for me, but I just am not 100% par. And I need to get this video done so I don't forget. Hi, Pixie Lou. You're okay. So I have this Fiskars little flower punch here. I'm just going to use this one. And I'm just going to punch up maybe on this one. Oh, I might have cut them too small. Yep. Alright, let me see if I got the other one. I have another one somewhere, a smaller one. Let's see here. Let's try this one. Might get a couple out of this one, maybe. Oh, still two? Yep. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, there we go. So that one. That one. I love these bright colors. I have envelopes like this that are going to be in the auction that I made. These are just scraps off from the envelopes that I had made. So, I love the paper. Okay. Here we go. I've used this punch a lot and it hurts my thumb, so I have added some foam stickers here and it helps. Alright, so now these, they're going to get squished down anyway, so I'm not going to really puff them up. I'm going to use some foamy dots still on them. So we'll do one there and there. Put the green one here. The pink one up here. I'm going to kind of stagger them a little bit. Kind of like a bouquet of them. Or, let's see here. Oh, maybe I'll do it like that. That's cute. I can punch out more. I kind of like it. Oh, wrong one. Alright, let's see. I think I want to put a few of them up there. That'd be cute. Two. That one there. Pixie had to go outside earlier before I started this, so I hook her up and take her out. I go to take her outside, and we step her on the side of the trailer, and got greeted by a couple kitty cats fornicating. I was like, whoa! Pixie was like all ready to go tear them a new butthole, though. She do not like other animals very well. Okay, I kind of like that. Yeah. I like that. That's super cute. And there's bright colors. So, yeah, I think I like that. So I'm going to use... Hopefully these little foam dots will work for this. I think they'll cover it. Yeah. They're a little big for these, but that's alright. That's a little more centered. I think they're super cute. I love that punch. There we go. I've had these for a while. I think these are actually from Stampin' Up. They're not that great. They're old. They're like 3 years old now, I guess. 3 or 4. About 3. I don't really like them. So I hope everybody is enjoying the tag challenge. As always, I say that, but I really do hope everybody's enjoying it and having fun and expanding their creativity in the tag challenge. And sometimes it's yeah, you just want to do it and you go right through it. Like, I don't expect you to spend hours and hours on your tags. Because I usually try to keep my videos under 30 minutes for this. So I always speed up through certain processes and things like that. But sometimes you just don't got time to put a lot into them. So you just work with what you have out or at hand. So for me, it's a challenge to do them each week. I try to make sure I got time for it. So that's my challenge in myself, to make sure I have time to do all these and get them done and uploaded. So I don't want you guys to stress and think, you know, it's such a big thing. I want you to have fun when doing it. Don't want you to get too stressed out by them. It's just for fun. And a lot of these, the prompts, Kiki helped me with the words. So, you know, some of them I'm thinking like, what were we thinking? She doesn't know what combinations is coming up. Like, she doesn't know what each week is going to be, because that's not fair. She knows what words are in the list and what color combinations and the themes and such. Like, she knows all that, but anything else, she has no idea. So, once I get it together, I'll be like, okay, I got the list done. And she's like, good job, you know, and I try to get a few weeks in advance so I have it ahead of time, so I know, you know, I don't have to sit there and figure out what my words are going to be for the week. So it's been a big help having her help me with these words, because a lot of them I probably wouldn't even known, like, figured it out. But I like how this turned out. It makes me think of spring, so I love spring so much. I want to garden so bad, I can feel it in my bones. And this just makes me want to get a garden planted, but I can't hear. So hashtag farm life goals. Yes. I like how that turned out. I know this video is probably not even going to be that long, because I probably won't even have to edit it as far as cutting pieces out, because it wasn't that long. But I really do like using washi tape on my letters. Let me go grab a couple letters and I'll show you what I did real quick. They're right here. Okay, so these were gotten at like the Michael's dollar spot. Was it Michael's or Target? It could be Target, I don't remember. But I've had these for about 4 years. And let me move that. They're wood grain. So I've used them here and there, some here and there. I have another package of them somewhere. I don't know where they're at, but so what I did was, let's see, what can I make a word? Bank, void. I'm trying to think if I can think of a word. Oh, I already used my Y. I was gonna say I could spell mimsy. That's what little Valerie calls me, the mimsy. I could do mom. Well, I think one's a W. I think that's a W. So, anyways, what I did, I'll just do it on, we'll just do it on this, hot. 'Cause, yeah. Alright, so what I did was, I wanted to use close to all of the washies here. So, this pink one here, oh, you can't even see it, Spanky, rude. So I just laid it over top as best as I could. trying to keep it as even as I could without ripping it. Okay, there we go. And I pulled some off the side, and then I took some off from another one. Like that. And we'll use this one for the middle, because that's going that way. I should have gone the other way with it, but let's see here. Can I pick that one up? Probably not. Without peeling? Yes, I can. Alright, so we're just going to trim this edge so it's straighter. And I'm going to butt it up against this one here. And then lay it across that. And I'm going to pull that one over. So, then I flip it over and use a cutting mat because you don't want to cut your surface. And just up against the edge, if it was hanging off too much, I trimmed it. Otherwise, I just folded it up. Like that right there. It's just folded over. And I'm not saving the... I used to save every piece of washi. Not anymore. And where it comes around the center there, I just do a little slit. And then I stick my blade in there and kind of press it back and forth. Is all I did. And then you can kind of run your fingers over the sides. Like that. And that's how I got my colorful letters. So that's all I did when I went through and did my word. But yeah, so that's how I got my letters. I think it's super cute. If you get like those foamy letters from like Dollar Tree, you could do the same thing, I bet. And if you didn't want the washi to come off, you could just use glue underneath it to hold it. But yeah, so that's what I did. I like these bright colors of this washi tape. And I don't use it nearly enough. I don't use most of my washi nearly enough. So definitely going to be doing more of that this year too. But yeah, so that's how I did it. My crafting is a mess right now. I'm getting ready for the auction on April 6th at 7 p.m. So hopefully see you guys here for that. Tons of awesome stuff. I've been working really hard on items that a lot of people don't have. So, and a lot of stuff is going to be easy peasy cheapy. So yeah, so here is this week's tag. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!